Today we will discuss about C++ function overloading. We create two or more members having the same name but different in number or type of parameter. It is known as C++ overloading. In C++, we can overload methods, constructors, and indexed properties. It is because these members have parameters only. Types of overloading in C++ are function overloading, operator overloading. Function overloading is defined as the process of having two or more functions with the same name but different in parameters is known as function overloading in C++. In function overloading, the function is redefined by using either different types of arguments or a different number of arguments. It is only through these differences compiler can differentiate between the functions. The advantage of function overloading is that it increases the readability of your program because you don't need to use different names for the same action. We'll see the simple example of function overloading where we are changing the number of arguments of add-off method. First, we are creating a class named cal. In the class, we are writing the public access specifier and we are declaring static int add of int a comma int b as parameters and you are returning the a plus b value. After that, you are creating static int add with the same function name. You are passing three arguments int a, int b, and int c, and you are returning a plus b plus c. In the main function, you are creating an object of a cal class and you are going to print addition of two numbers as well as addition of three numbers. When you call addition of two numbers, static int add of int a comma int b will be invoked, and when you call c dot add of three members, three parameters, then static int add of int a, int b, int c will be invoked, and you will get the output as 30 and 55. Okay. We'll see another example where the type of arguments vary. We have created a method int mul of int comma int. After that, float mul of float comma int. Okay. Int mul of int a comma int b, and you are returning multiplication of a and b. After that, you are writing float mul of double x comma int y. Here the data types varying. Return x into y. Int main of, you are writing int r1 equal to multiplication of 6 comma 7, then int mul of int a comma int b will be invoked. Float r2 equal to mul of 0.2 comma 3 because 0.2 is double, so float mul of double x comma int y will be invoked. Then we are printing r1 and r2. First will be 42, second will be 0.6. Function overloading and ambiguity. When the compiler is unable to decide which function is to be invoked among the overloaded function, this situation is known as function overloading. When the compiler shows the ambiguity error, the compiler does not run the program. This causes of function overloading or type conversion, function with default arguments, function with pass by reference. These are the causes of ambiguity: type conversion, function with default arguments, function with pass by reference. Thank you.